Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good evening. Sorry. My name is Steve. Pasensya na kayo. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. You can find this in Google Play Store and Apple Store, the name YouTube. Okay, by the way, my next video is related. Related to necrological video uh, that is more on cemetery found in the Philippines. Then I would like to inform to all viewers I'm using English and Tagalog, two dialects. So English and Filipino. Ano itong tinutukoy ko? Okay, I'm referring to Loyola Memorial Park. Kasi marami nag-PM sa akin sa FB, bakit, sabi nila sa akin, Sir Steve, bakit ang Loyola Memorial Park dalawa? Nalilito kami, saan ba ang totoo? Bakit may Marikina, may isa Sukat Parañaque? Okay, sasagutin ko yan. Okay, the answer is, don't be surprised Actually, ang Loyola Memorial Park, meron silang na-purchase dalawa. One is in Marikina, which is now Marikina City. The other one is in Parañaque, Sukat. Hindi pa aabot na NAIA or Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Before pa. Okay. Unahin ko muna ang Marikina. To all of you who are familiar in the cemetery, yung sa may Marikina Valley, yon. Kung nakadaan ka na sa Marikina Valley, yon, diretso na yan sa Loyola Memorial Park. Okay? Actually, yan ang original. Doon nag-start ang develop. Memorial Park Development. Binagbebenta sila ng memorial lot that time. Ang original is in Marikina City. Nagsimula siya actually 1964. Yan po ang totoo. 1964 po nag-start. Then yun nag-click na ang Loyola Memorial Park sa Marikina. Ito. Nagbili sila ng lot more than 1 hectare that time, yung pag-start. Ang napili nila, Sukat Parañaque. Loyola Memorial Park. So therefore, dalawa sila. Marikina at Parañaque City. Napaka-importante itong video na ito. Part siya sa necrological videos kasi baka magtanong, uy, namatay ang kamag-anak ko, saan ko ililibing? Sa Marikina ba o sa Parañaque? So syempre magkakaroon ng kalituhan kasi malaki ang Metro Manila. So yun. So therefore, there are two cities located in Metro Manila. One is in Marikina and one is in Parañaque. Okay? By the way, share this to your friends, relatives who are residing in Marikina, and the other one is in Sukat, Parañaque. Uulitin ko po, ang Loyola Memorial Park sa Marikina, yan yung original, yan yung first city sa Metro Manila. Parañaque ay secondary na. Tama yung nasa isip ninyo. Before sa Manila Memorial Park. Kasi ang common cemetery sa Parañaque City is Manila Memorial Park. Yung na-assassinate na senator, si Benigno Ninoy Aquino Jr. Okay? So, I hope you learn a lesson and don't be confused. Huwag kayo malilito. Talagang dalawang city. Magkaibang lugar yan Huwag kayo malito. Ang original or nagsimula is in Marikina, then yun nag-click ang pagbenta ng memorial lot. Nakabili sila ng memorial vacant lot that time sa Parañaque, Sukat, Parañaque. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good evening. Thank you and God bless. Please share this to your friends para at least aware sila. Okay?